Hello Odoo, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are just quickly going to learn how to add a menu. It means same like this menu, and how to create easily like stylish menu icon same like this. You can see this timesheet icon, sales icon. So if you are developer and creating your app, third party like customized app, and if you want to add your icon of specific app feature related, so how we can do. So for that, uh, let's say we are quickly going to create one like model view fields, right, and a menu, right. So let's say we will create one app, simple app for the student, something student data. For that we will create models. Let's say this model description if student master something x student data. This is the model technical name which we need in the future, let's say. And then this is the customized object, and we just need this uh, x name only just for testing purpose. And let's say public user, let's say, can read, right, and this internal user, let's say for that. So let's say we will search a role, and this user as internal user can edit, create, write, delete all this for access, right. So this is the model, and then we will create a menu, let's say menu item, this is right. And I will create one menu, let's say students. Parent menu is false, so it means it will visible as a master menu here. And then here we will upload our icon created, right. So let's say we will add this letter. First of all, I will add here a sub menu students, right, and action, this act window. And here I will create a new, let's say students something, create and edit object this. And this is the list form, and I will save. And if I refresh the page here, you can see students. And this is let's say this is main student menu, and this is the inner student menu. We can create here name, student 1 and student 2. I will save. I can see here. Okay, so this is simple application we just created. Students, main menu, this is sub menu, and here form and list view, because we created one action, and inside action we added like list and form view, right. You can add more views, Kanban view or anything else, right. So this is the application we created, and now we will see how to create icons. So for that, if we search on internet, let's say for creating icons, as our app is student management something, so I will search fafa icon. If you know about this is one standard global icons we can create using code. So I will search fafa student icon code on internet something, and I can see something like solid user something. So this is like code we can copy anyone from here. Graduation, this for graduation, this kind of solid user, right. This like lot of code we can see on the internet. If you can see here, if you can see here which icon you need, right? So I have found one code for user circle, which is easy. And now to create icon, there is a free website. I will copy this, let's say, URL, and add here. You can see this is the URL: https column slash double slash spellymp.github.io slash ibo. Using this URL, you can create icons, right, for your Odoo app. So here I can select any version. This is not issue. You can select any Odoo version. Icon here you can select which like icon set. I will paste here this far user circle. I can set here background of icon, and here I can set let's say our Odoo database code is something, let's say this code, and I can set how the size of the, you can see this is the easy. I can create and I can download this icon. And now I will go to Odoo, and menu item, I will find student, open the student, upload here. You can see how I created these easily student icons, right? Same like all do things. So this is how you can easily like create your model, menu, action, view, right? And add icon. So this is the platform where you can easily create like stylist icon for your menu, right? So I hope this video will helpful to you. Thank you.